Hi guys and girls, I hope you all are doing great amidst this pandemic. Please be safe and please, wherever you're going, please wear a mask. Now, today is the last episode of the Is It Really a Fairy Tale, and I am so excited to do this particular thing. I'll be cosplaying Belle and simultaneously will be doing the original story of The Beauty and the Beast. So without any further ado, come on, let's get started. Originally, the credit for the original printed version of The Beauty and the Beast goes to the French writer Gabrielle Suzanne Barbeau de Villeneuve. Several years later, Jeanne-Marie Laprince de Beaumont rewrote it, creating the adaptation that we all know best today. First things first, there exists no beast in real. Secondly, there was this man named Petrus Gonsalves who was suffering from this condition called the hypertrichosis or the Ombra syndrome, or it's unofficially it's called the werewolf syndrome, where there is excessive hair growth in your body. In some cases they just target the certain areas of your body, but for Petrus Gonsalves it affected his entire body. So he was covered with hair, with the body hair and all, and he was named as the wild man. Now, when young, he was treated as uncivilized, and a day came when he was captured and was shipped to King Henry II of France as his coronation gift in the year 1547. When in captivity, he was given raw meat and animal food. It was quite fortunate for Gonsalves that the king did not mistreat him like the other. Rather, he tried to civilize him by giving him education, by giving him proper food and cooked meal, and also he was educated in 3 different languages. Gradually, his royal status rose as he was given the education of a nobleman. Now, after the death of the king in the year 1559, his widowed wife Catherine de Medici, she ascended the throne. And on ascending the throne, she decided that to have some experiment with Petrus Gonsalves, whom she considered as a beast. She thought that what would happen to her beast if he is married to a beautiful lady. What would happen? What would really happen? There is a reason of curiosity, and would he really give birth to beasts? The widowed queen soon managed to find a bride for Gonsalves, who was a very beautiful young maiden who was also named Catherine. Petrus Gonsalves met his bride on the wedding day directly. However, the pair had 7 children, out of which 4 kids were affected with the very same hypertrichosis. The rest 3 were complete normal. Now, on the other hand, the queen, on seeing her experiment being successful, she was delighted. Now, the couple toured all over Europe and settled in Parma, Italy. And later they were owned by the Duke Ranuccio Farnese. The Duke commissioned several paintings, but the painting never contained the 3 normal children because they were not the reason for curiosity. Now, these 4 children of Gonsalves were affected by hypertrichosis, were exploited by the Duke, and was taken away from their parents, from Gonsalves and his wife Catherine, and were given away to the upper class for their entertainment and also to keep as pets. Now the concluding part is really a tragic one. Despite achieving knowledge, despite being civilized, despite learning education in 3 different languages, and despite having a mentor, he was not even considered that human being because of his hypertrichosis. And yes, he was not given the Christian burial because he was not thought worthy enough of it. And yes, he was believed to be alive till the year 1618. I somehow feel is very much relevant to today's world, because you know what, like how much good you could do to people, people will remember that one tiny fault of yours, and like they will just keep on brag about it and this and that, may not give you the proper respect which you deserve. So that's what happened to Petrus Gonsalves, and this is it, the end of the story. I come up with new videos every Monday and Thursday, and yes, that's the end of it. Please do give it a big fat thumbs up if you liked it. Please do share it, and yes, do show your support. Please do subscribe to my channel. We'll see you next time. Till then, bye.